Hola a todos! Welcome to our today's video. Today we will be starting with Spanish lesson, and lesson number 1 is alphabets. So in case if you've missed out our French lesson on alphabets and you are interested in French language, so please go on our channel, have a look at the lesson number 1, French alphabets. And in this lesson we will be taking up Spanish alphabets, alphabetos. Alphabets will help you in the pronunciation and you will be able to read each and every letter of a word completely with a better sound. So, to put this to more context, in Spanish it is very different from other languages, as whatever you write, you will speak it in the same way. It is a very lyrical language. So, are you all excited? Can we start it? So guys, we are starting with alphabetos, alphabets. A. Open your mouth to say A. Avion. B. Barco. C. Casa. So here a sound checkpoint. Now C when combined with H becomes Ch. So it is chocolate. Ch, chocolate. De, dedo. A, elefante. Guys, I hope you're all with me. F, familia. He, G is pronounced as he. Gato. H, H is pronounced as H. Huevo. So, small concept. When H is the first letter of any word, it is silent. So in huevo, H is silent. Hence, the pronunciation is not huevo and pronunciation becomes huevo. E, isla. Jota. J is pronounced as jota from the epiglottis. Jota. Giraffe. Ka, kiwi. L, leon. M, manzana. So guys, let's repeat all the 13 letters once again. A, B, C, D. Guys, I can't hear you. Repeat them with me. A, F, H, H, I, J, K, L, M. So we are half done and we are halfway to go. Let's start with the next letter. N, naranjo. Sound checkpoint again. So, in European languages, we have seen that we have a lot of accents on the vowels, sometimes on consonants as well. So here, as you can see, we have another consonant with a half infinity sign. On N, on top of it, we put half infinity sign, so the sound changes. So the sound becomes Anie. So in words, it is Anyo. N with an half infinity sign in Anyo. So it becomes Anyo, not Ano. O, oso. P, perro. Q, queso. Guys, I hope you are all repeating it with me. R, rato. Sound checkpoint again for you. So, when there is a double R, we roll the tongue and give stress on the R. So it becomes R. Like in perro. Double R. So it is R. S. Sol. T. Tigre. U. Uvas. V. Vaca. In W, we add two V's. So it becomes doble V. Wi-Fi. X. Xilófono. Y. Yate. Z. Zapato. Let's repeat all the 13 letters again. So it will be N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Oh wow guys, you have done all the letters and the nasal sounds and you will be able to speak like a native with us. So, thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloom Lingo, and we will see you in our next lesson.